Hello people, just a short video showing this new HPI buggy I built somehow. I bought a used HPI Trophy Buggy 3.5, very cheap because it's been a big crash. It had a smashed in the front, so the chassis was bent, and also the front tower and everything. So I got it for only $70. So what I've done now, of course I first disassembled it, and I just took a hammer to straighten out the chassis that was bent in the front, and also the front tower I did try to fix up. So now it's looks okay. I also mounted the Arrma. No, it's the RPM bumper. It was nearly a perfect fit. I only have to drill a bit out with a Dremel to widen the holes a bit so the screws fit. You can see the chassis is now okay, straight. Everything looks good. The body was a bit beaten up, so I bought a new unpainted body, and I've just painted it in this it's a yellow color. I'll not see if you can see that. And I just named this car the Bug. Of course it's for buggy, so I just shortened it to the Bug. I also got some wheels from AliExpress. These wheels are for on-road or asphalt type of driving. Here is the old 3.5 engine, but I switch out that to a new, let's see, yeah, you can see it there. It's the 4.6 engine. So I got I had a spare 4.6 engine, so now that engine is inside, and deep inside here somewhere you can maybe see I also have a bigger pinion or clutch bell, and that is not 17 tooth clutch bell. It comes stock with a 13, so I think this car will have good speed with both the 4.6 engine and the 17 tooth pinion here. I also changed the air filter. I think this is the newer air filter that HPI are recommending for the big block engines. This should take in some more air and give the power a bit more. Give the engine a bit more power. I also mounted the fuel filter here, and I've changed the tank, the fuel tank. This is the fuel tank from the Trophy Buggy, so it's a bit bigger because the engine is bigger, so I wanted a bit bigger fuel tank, and that it all fits under the body now. It's okay. For the air filter, this rubber part here, I used the one that came with the older air filter because it got a more sharp bend, so the air filter is more in the position I like it. So it's under this part of the body. If I had the other rubber part here that came stock with this air filter, the air filter will get more in the way for the throttle and braking links here. Now it's more lifted up in a good position, I think. Not more to say about this car, but I got the car for $17. I bought the new air filter. I had this stock engine, and this engine you can maybe buy for $50 or something used. It's not used very much, this one. I had also some servos from my old Hobao nitro car, and they works okay. And I bought these new wheels from AliExpress. They are about $35 maybe. The bumper, I don't remember the price, maybe $15 or something. Yes, so in total I guess I paid about let's see, $70 for that, and 30, yeah, maybe around 150 to $200, something in that range I paid for this. Yes, and I'm also gonna fit it, the RotoStarter to backplate here, so I can use the HPI RotoStarter. I'm fed up of using the pull starter. I've not mounted it yet, so as you can see in the back here, it's the motor is just in location here, so I could set the pinion to spur gear mesh, but I have to take it off later to fit the RotoStarter backplate. And then when the weather is some better, I will take it out for some test driving and speed test driving. This is the car I'm going to use for more on-road, off-road, bashing, racing type of driving, not big jumps or something like that. I have the trophy truggy up here, and since it's a truggy, it got some bigger wheels and a bit higher ground clearance, so this is better for off-road driving. Of course you use the buggy also for off-road, but if it's very uneven ground, the truggy is maybe a bit better. So that's all. I come back later when I can take this car for a speed test. 17-tooth pinion. I would guess the speed would be around 80-85 kilometers per hour, because I got the truggy up to 70 kilometers per hour. So I guess this will be a bit faster. Alright, bye bye.